up, everyone? In today's episode, I'm going to take you to the Supreme store in Tokyo at the Shibuya district. Let's go. Okay, you gotta turn right when you hit this hotel in front of Lenny. Take a right. There's an ape store right here. Babe and ape. We're gonna go check this out after. Right there's the Supreme store. Hey, what's up, everyone? So I just got to the Supreme store in Tokyo in the Shibuya district. Let's go and check it out, okay? Let's go. What's up, everyone? I'm at the vape store in Shibuya, Tokyo right now in Japan. I'm gonna take you on a tour of the vape store. It's in the back of me. Let's go. Hey, what's up, everyone? So in today's episode, I'm gonna choose a winner of this brand new Supreme wallet, LV. It'll be coming in this case right here, like this, all wrapped, brand new, ready to go, red. Ready for the winner. Just wanted to say thank you again for supporting my channel, and I'm looking forward to giving away a lot of more stuff. Let's go. I'm going to do a raffle generator, so it's from 1 to 100. Gonna go click right now to it. I'm going to do a raffle generator, so it's from 1 to 100. Gonna go click right now to it. Okay, we got a winner. Number 55. 55. 55. 55. Okay, I'm gonna go look at who's the lucky guy at number 55 and we'll leave them an email and hopefully they contact me back. But if not, I'll do a second place. I'll do a second drawing just in case that I need another winner. Okay, my favorite number 24. 24. That's the backup winner. So if number 55 don't answer back in a couple days, I'll hit up number 24. Okay, everyone, we have a winner. It is King Stone. I will be hitting him up pretty soon, and I will give him my email right now to tell that he won this beautiful Louis Vuitton Supreme wallet. But don't forget the Supreme. Don't forget the Yeezys or giveaways too. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, just wanted to show you guys a collection of my shoes. I'm a 11 lower J11s. Got my Supreme and Tiffany's. I only got one fake one, so easy buster. Come to my channel and bust me. That's a fake Louis Vuitton OG one. But everything else is legit. One more prized possession I wanted to show you guys is my Michael Jordan jersey autograph. And this is the real deal, not fake. With this rookie card. I'll probably die in this frame right here. Okay, I'll see you guys soon, and look out for my new episode of Supreme Japan, the second store, and the third store, and all my other videos that I will be posting pretty soon. I'm sorry that videos are not coming out as often because this is my side thing. I'm just doing this for fun, so bear with me, but I have a lot of good content to show you guys, so be in tune. I'll see you guys soon.